Hi there, Cher Johnston here. And today's video, I'm just going to do some little, um, remember Twinchies? I haven't heard anyone talk about Twinchies for a really long time. But, um, so maybe it's not a thing anymore. Maybe it is. I don't care. I'm going to do Twinchies. I have a piece of fabric here. It's 8 by 10 so that I can scan it in later and um, use as a paper craft. Or and then actually after that I'm just going to cut it up and use the separate little pieces for to make clusters for my journals. Or I have a new um, Happy Mail buddy. Very excited about that. We're gonna share stuff, and I think I might send these to her because um, I have more things than what I really know what to do with. So if I talk through this entire thing, it might be really long. And I don't know if you mind that or not. Um, I watch Rachel Roxbury, Roxy Creations, and she just gets on film and she does stuff and talks for like an hour. I don't really know how she does it. I think she does it every day. But wow, I don't know if I could do that. Anyway, I think that's enough of those. And I'm just gonna end off here in the back with a couple little stitches. I don't think I have to do too many because this is going to get glued down to something. And I have some pink here that's already on a needle. We're going to go, nope. Well, okay, we're going with the purple ribbon because that's what I have on a needle right now, right in front of me. So why not? Let's do some little flowers, little flowers. I'm gonna do I'm gonna go up here so that I can go through that lace. And I'm gonna do a little chain stitch, a detached chain stitch, lazy daisy kind of thing. Then, oh, my hands are shaking. I don't know why. I think if I do a couple of straight stitches here, let's just push that down, put it up just a touch. Am I on camera? I am. What do you know? Um, do one straight stitch there and another straight stitch right there. And look at that. We have a, oh crap, what do you call it? I know you're shouting at the TV. It's an iris. There you go. Thanks. This one's going to be a little tiny bit smaller. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, now I have just enough for one more. Let's just do like a little, I don't know, this will be a bud. You think? I don't know. I don't have enough thread here for a real stitch. Ah, come on. There you go. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna get some more thread. I'll be back. Okay, this is contents of my ort jar. Sometimes I put pieces in there that are sort of big. And then sometimes, like that little piece I just cut off, just put that back in there. Because I use them sometimes to stuff things. And what I'm doing here, I just have a little piece of pink thread. And this is some organza that I don't remember what I did with it, but I had a piece left. A strip. And we're going to make a little fleur. Well, it's not so little, I guess. Kind of big. I think that might be. Is that enough? Or is that too much? That's enough. I think that's enough. That's enough of that, young lady. All right. Now, dang it. Now, I'm going to bunch it all up. Bunch, 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 bunch. Then, it's all bunched up. Kind of. There we go. It's all bunched up. And I'm going to go back through it that way. and then this way, and then this way. See what I'm doing here? All right. It's a little flower. All right. Now I think what I want needs to be shorter. I think I want some green around the bottom. I have this green ribbon here. Yeah, I don't know. I also have this green razzle dazzle, whatever it is. Okay. I think what I want is no. Oh, I keep going back to this. This Tuscan olive. And this is DMC thread and it's close, but you know, it's just not the same. I need to buy a whole bunch of that. All right. Now, I'm going to take, excuse me, I'm going to take all these orts and put them back in the jar. We'll get them out again later. Then I need a piece of lace or something in the background. I love that lace, but I don't have much left. Oh, I know what else we're going to do. Excuse me. I love this little, I love this lace. We're going to do a couple of Twinchies with this lace. See, that's so pretty, isn't it? All I have to do is tack that down and viola. Did you ever read as a kid and make up the way words sounded? Because you never didn't connect. Voila and viola. Yeah, let's just put those down. Wait, let's put one there and one like here. Doesn't matter. It's a lovely lace. And here's some. Oh, I should just not be too picky because that could cover the whole thing. I don't think I need lace this big. Look at me, just. Oh, there's more, there's more, there's more. This, I love this. This is part of a doily or something. I have a microphone that I use, and if I didn't have it, the outside noises would make me crazy. Because right now there's the mailman at the front door. I don't know what he's doing. And there's a baby crying. Shut up, kid. What do we think about this? I don't know what I think about it, but we are going to just tack it down. Wait. I have some more ribbon on a needle. It's right there. I think what I'm going to do today is I think I'm going to just do 2 of these on camera and then post the video, and I'll do more tomorrow. And you'll have to let me know in the comments if you would prefer for me to just shut up and fast forward, or maybe I can do 2 different videos. I'll do one big long one, or little short ones where I'm jibber jabbering around. And I'm going to have to listen to this because now my neighbors have their garbage cans. I don't think you can hear any of that. And I do have the door closed. I mean the window closed. Oh crap. That, ladies, is why you're not supposed to pierce the ribbon. It doesn't like it. All right. Now I have a little stamen. I'm going to take this little tiny piece of, hold on, I need my glasses. I can't tell if that's cat hair. No, that's from that. All right, I'm going to take this little tiny piece. I'm going to twist and twist and twist and twist and twist some more. And then I'm going to hold it down there and I'm going to puncture through to the back. Hope this is on camera. All right. Now, that's kind of cute, isn't it? Okay, now I'm going to get my glue and I'm going to glue these ends down. And I'll probably do these off camera. And I'll come back tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll do more. Thanks for watching. Bye!